This is a garage door dumbwaiter system that we built into someone's house out of wood. We cut the floor out of the closet. You can see it here. It used to be down here. And the way it works is you take whatever you'd like. Take this chair, for instance. Put it in the box. And this garage door came with a remote, so we can just hit the remote from up here. You can see the rails there. These are garage door rails we used to control the up and down motion. And we hit the remote, and there it goes. Part of the design here was so that we could have it be flush floor, so we can just shut this door here and everything is as it should be. Now we'll go downstairs and you can see the guts of the thing, really. Got your garage door opener down here that was installed on all this framing that is all attached to blocking underneath the box itself up in here. This is all framed around with a lip so it lands right on that, and let's observe as it goes up.